Hey guys, thanks for watching the channel. This is Kyle over at Taylor's Truck Line. Just wanted to do a short video. We got barbecues in the summertime every other week, and so I'll just go around, see if I can get anyone to say hi. But it's summer in Minnesota. It's about 91 today and 100% humidity, so we finally got summer. You got any questions, comments? Make sure you get on that channel, subscribe to it so you can see these new videos. And always looking for content to put on there, so check us out. Thanks. What are they serving today? Hamburgers, hot dogs, the whole works.
Yeah,
huh? We got a little bit of everything.
Yeah.
So
Everything's perfect. It looks like to me.
well, we're back at the barbecue, and we have one of our chefs, Richard. He also does our log auditing and orientation, and fills in basically wherever he's needed at. So thanks a lot, Richard, for that.
Not a problem.
We'll see if we can find anyone out here today. Oh yeah, we got a few characters here.